So the Goswamis were successful living in Vrindavan because they were non-envious and they honored everyone, they loved everyone, and they didn't leave. They took a vow to not leave. And because I asked my teacher, I said that you're telling me I should be Dham Nishta, and I would like to do that. But I see you yourself are going next week to Bengal for preaching. And my teacher is 99 years old. So I said, how is it you're saying that if you stay, then you get everything, but you're leaving? And you've been staying here for 76 years. How are you going at this age? Why are you going? He said, no, you can leave if you're going to distribute the glories of Radha and Krishna and help the bhaktas, then you can leave. You can leave the Dham. We see that's the example of Srila Prabhupada. He generally preached like that. He told people to go to the Holy Dham and get spiritually surcharged by some stay there and then share it with others. But this is also true, and we see from the lives of the 6 Goswamis, you can do either way. Basically, you have to follow your own personal ruchi and the order of the Guru. This is the keynote. Everything can be accomplished easily by Guru Bhakti.